And it's not just any old Louis Vuitton unboxing. Ho ho ho! Ooh, it's blue top against the blue background. I look like I'm just like a little floating head with pink hair. Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Today we have excitement. We have a Louis Vuitton unboxing. And it's not just any old Louis Vuitton unboxing. Next up, we have Vlogmas. So this is the last kind of sit-down video you'll see for a while. It's time to start getting Christmassy, time to get Vlogmasy. Got lots of things planned. I'll run through some of that in the episode 1 of Vlogmas. Ho ho ho! This package has been all over the shop. This is from New York City. I'll get into that in a second. But yes, look, Louis Vuitton unboxing. Oh, I'm so excited. I was not able to source this myself. So I reached out to the wonderful, the magnificent Lisa of Luxury and Life in the Middle, who is amazing, absolutely amazing. I'm giddy with excitement. That's why I'm losing my words already. This is something I didn't know was going to exist until I saw it on Meredith's channel. Meredith has all of the insider info. Ray Louis Vuitton.
So that's this year's Christmas animation pieces and what's coming and all the photos and product codes for that. In addition to those pieces, we're getting a little capsule collection. We're getting a New York Viv capsule collection. Now, my understanding of this collection is that it's going to be exclusive to New York, that these pieces will only be available in New York. However, houses say this to us all the time. It's an exclusive. You can only get it here, and that lasts about 3 seconds until they realize that they can sell it elsewhere, and then suddenly we see it pop up everywhere. So take that with a grain of salt, who knows? But for now, what we are being told is that this little Vivian capsule collection will be specific to New York because it is a New York themed collection with Viv in it.
As soon as I saw this, I was like, oh, need that. Hi Lisa, how are you doing? Has anyone else asked you to get this for them? And once again, Lisa has proven herself to be a wonderful human being, a fabulous friend, helpful, patient, and all of the things. And so I am excited. I'm just going to do the ribbon. I was going to slide it off, but I don't really care about that anymore. So you've got your ribbon, just your classic Louis Vuitton ribbon. No exclusives there. Let's just see if there's anything on the card. Don't think there'll be anything on the card. There is nothing on the card as expected, so I'll just put that over there. This is the first boutique Louis Vuitton unboxing purchase I've done this year. Did I buy anything last year? I bought my Stephen Sprouse Speedy from Fashion File when we were in New York. That's Louis. But I don't think I bought anything else from Louis. I bought my Bunny Charm last year. I don't know. I don't think I have. So, oh, big day. Big day. Big day. Something from the Big Apple. As soon as I saw this, I knew I had to have it. Some dust bag. I'm savouring this. Sorry if you're getting bored, but I'm savouring this because I haven't done this for a long while. Dust bag, Louis Vuitton. Oh, we've got a product code on the back. I'll show you that in a moment. It's just, honestly, thank you, Lisa. Thank you for doing this. I got, whoops, there goes the little thingy. I got the New York exclusive passport holder. We have got Viv on the front there. She is the Statue of Liberty. We've got Louis Vuitton. We've got an apple for the Big Apple. We have one of the little flower. Is that a donut? It's a donut with a Louis Vuitton flower in the middle of it. And then we've got another apple on the back, a slice of apple. And what's that? Oh yes, Viv is shopping New York. On the inside is this bright yellow. I'm thinking this is New York taxi yellow, and that's why they went with it. And there's a little Viv stamp there. And that is it. It is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love it. Lisa was very kind to arrange this for me with her client advisor. And thank you again so much for doing this. I would say that this is a prohibitively expensive way of getting your hands on Louis Vuitton. This isn't available in the UK, so I couldn't compare prices for it, but for the Christmas animation passport holders, the price is about $100 more expensive in the US. So Louis Vuitton is more expensive in the US, and that is why pretty much everyone in the handbag tribe avoided buying things like Louis Vuitton retail in New York, because it's cheaper in Europe. For those of us based in Europe, it makes sense to buy it in Europe, right? But this is a New York exclusive, and I will have Meredith's video linked down below where she talks about all of the options available. So if there is anything there that you see that you like, and you might be able to reach out to someone in the States and see if you can get your hands on it. I feel very, 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 very lucky to have one of these. I've always wanted a Louis Vuitton passport holder. But it was one of those things, oh, well, do you know what? With the biometric passport things, you end up taking your passports out of any holders to put them in. So really, they only live in this in storage. But I'm wondering if I can use this for anything else. Although, the Lion and I do have the opportunity to use this very, very, very shortly. That's a little teaser for some Vlogmas shenanigans for you. So I think what I am going to do, I'm just going to go and get our passports. If you are new to my channel, then hiya, I am Gwenny, and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, like cheeky little Louis Vuitton unboxings, as and when they happen, then get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, that's by hitting the like button, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So we've got our passports here. I'm usually custodian of passports when we travel, because I always feel like, I don't know, the Lion's going to lose it or something, which he did do once, but after he returned to the country. So what I probably will do is have our passports in the passport holder like this, and just have them one on each side just to keep them together. And then we've got these little card slots as well, which I might use for things like our British Airways travel cards and things like that, our member cards. But yeah, I might be able to use it as a little notebook holder as well. I mean, I came away from New York with plenty of sexy souvenirs, if you want to call them souvenirs, but when I heard this was being released, then I had to have it. It was just one of those things. There's been very little Louis Vuitton that I felt I have to have that, and this was one of them. This really was one of them. Let's open it up this way so you can see the full design in one go. Isn't it pretty? And I really love that Viv is the Statue of Liberty. I think that's a fantastic little touch. And the shopping, well, I mean, we shopped till we dropped in New York. Ah, what a wonderful, wonderful thing. I'm really, really happy to have this. And it's one of those things where, do you know what? I mean, how useful is a passport holder these days? I mean, really, how useful is it? Probably not very, but as an objet d'art, I am supremely happy to have this in my collection. And it's bang on theme with my Louis Vuitton is for travel kind of state of mind at the moment. New York state of mind. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's so cool. It's so sweet. It's so snazzy. I like to keep a track of our travels and write up a little what we did in the day. I could potentially use this to keep a little notebook like that in as well. There you go. that could work out as well. I'm sure I will find a way of using this as not just a passport cover, because it's too gorge to just leave for the occasional trip. I don't know when we're going to be going overseas again, when we'll be taking our passports after this Vlogmas little shenanigans I just teased for you there. So there will be an imminent usage for this, and then I will try and come up with some other ideas for usage for this until the next big trip, whenever that may be. If you have a passport cover like this and you use it for not passports but for something else, then please do let me know what it is you use your passport cover for. And I can't stop looking at it. It's so blooming adorable. It's so cute. I don't even mind the yellow. I don't even like yellow, but I think that looks good. I'm going to take the passports out, and so we can have another look at the inside. The leather is very, very lightly textured here. It's quite solid, feels quite solid. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots there, and then this little V-shaped card slot there. And then you've got the 2 slips there, where you would, if you were using this as a single passport holder, passport cover, you'd have the front and back of your passport in there, and then you just open it up and the whole thing's there. But as I said, I'll probably use it to keep both of our passports in when we do travel. I don't think it was that long ago actually I said, that's it, New York is done, you won't hear about it again. We've done all of that, we've parked that, we put that to one side, and then here we are unboxing a New York limited edition a New York exclusive piece of Louis Vuitton. So thank you again, Lisa, for reaching out to your client advisor on my behalf and arranging this for me and checking it when it got to you and then sending it on to me. I really do appreciate it. You are absolutely bloody marvellous. Thank you. And I'm not going to lie, unboxing this has made me want to go back and watch all of my New York handbag tribe shenanigan videos. I will have that playlist linked down below. All over again, so I can relive it, because we've been home for a couple of months now, and it's about time I relived it, because it was such a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful experience with wonderful, wonderful people, and I don't ever want it to have been over, and it is. But now I have another little bit of New York, specific to New York, exclusive to New York, in my collection, stable, menagerie of luxury bags and SLGs. I love it. It's adorable. One more look at Viv as the Statue of Liberty, and then the donut and the apple and the Louis Vuitton, and then Viv doing what we do best, shopping luxury. What do you think of my new addition? I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing and seeing how much joy this has brought me, and it really, really has brought me a huge amount of joy. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know in the comments section, and give me your ideas on what I can use it for other than passports down in the comments section. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed filming it. If you've enjoyed it, give it a like, show it the thumbs up love. And until I see you for Vlogmas, boop, ho ho ho, then stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby dozy, and bye-bye.